What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the Afro Investor YouTube page. By now, most of you know we got the Instagram platform going. We're putting out a couple posts. Hope y'all are finding it helpful and learning a thing or two from it. And as always, if you have any questions, feel free to hit me up in the DMs. I'm always happy to discuss. The main topic for today's video is going to be about fractional investing. I think this is an exciting concept that is now available to Canadian investors. Most American trading platforms already have the means for this already, and now Canadians have access to it too. So Wealthsimple have introduced fractional investing to the platform. It's only available on the mobile side for now. You can't do it from a desktop, but you can do it from your phone. And all it entails, they have about 16 or 17 companies now that you can buy fractional shares in. So if you can't afford to buy whole shares in these companies at once, you can start investing in bit by bit and accumulating shares in fractions until you're able to own whole shares or however many shares you can over time. So I'm going to be showing you an instructional video on how to go about fractional investing on Wealthsimple. It's pretty simple and basic. It's not much different from the regular means of buying and selling shares on the platform. So hope this video is insightful, and like I said, let me know if you have any questions. Okay, so like I said, companies like Tesla, Amazon, TD, Shopify, Microsoft, these are all companies that are worth triple, quadruple figures in terms of investing, like Nvidia, Coinbase that just recently went public, Netflix, Facebook. You know, these companies, they don't cost $10 or $20 or $100 to invest in. They cost about $200, $600, $1,000. Amazon costs $3,000. So now you can, if you have only $10 or $50 to invest, you can buy $50 worth of Amazon shares. Whatever that gets you, 0.00xx of a share that gets you. At least you can start from there. And the best thing is, even if you only have $50 worth, if Amazon goes up 10%, your $50 dollars goes up 10% to $55. So you can still make the gains, even though it's just going to be in a smaller fraction. And in terms, companies like TD and Apple and Microsoft that pay dividends, they would also pay out fractional dividends based on the amount of fractional shares you own. So just because you don't own whole shares doesn't mean that you'll be denied from getting dividends. It just means you get dividends in fractional shares also. So all you do on the platform is you open up your account and you select the stock that you want to buy from the list of 16 companies. And where you usually select buy from, there'll be an option to do fractional buying. And then you just put in the amounts that you want to buy, and it will show you how much worth of shares, what fraction of one share the amount you're investing will get you, and the order we put through, and you have those shares in your account within a business day. So it's pretty straightforward and pretty simple. And why I'm very excited about fractional investing is I think that it eliminates the excuse of waiting to invest for people. People always say they're waiting to save up X amount of money, $1,000 or $10,000 before they start investing or whatever. Now there's really no excuse. If you have $5, you can put in $5 in Shopify and begin your Shopify position. You can put in $5 in Amazon and begin your Amazon position. I personally am taking advantage of it because I can't afford to buy some companies that I like at a whole share every time that I want to buy. So I'm taking advantage of it. I'll be getting my partial dividends. It's better than zero. It's more than nothing. So I think everyone should pay attention to it and start thinking about getting into it. I assume that with time, Wealthsimple is going to adopt the strategy for all shares, but for now they've just made 16 shares available. Another benefit with fractional investing is now dollar cost averaging can actually work for you. What most people do right now with averaging is they just buy one share of a company or whatever price it is every month. That's just accumulating. Dollar cost averaging means you're actually putting in a specific same amount of money frequently, maybe every 2 weeks, every week, or every month into a stock purchase. So now you can commit $20 every month or $50 every month into Apple shares and just accumulating shares over time you'd accumulate 1, 2, 3, however many shares your investments will get you over time. That has been a long working strategy in crypto with regards to like Bitcoin and Ethereum. I'd set up auto purchase on Coinbase to be buying big a certain amount of Bitcoin every 2 weeks, and just been accumulating over time. I wasn't selling, I was just adding to my Bitcoin position, and now I'm very grateful for that strategy because I'm in a pretty profitable position. So I encourage everybody to look into fractional investing and dollar cost averaging. Those are two very simple methods for beginner investors to get their feet wet, get used to the strategy and the system, and get familiar with investing. Thank you. I think that's all I have to say for today. Hope the video has been insightful and helpful. There's going to be more material to come down the line. Shout out to my editor and director. I'll be seeing you guys later. Thank you.